In this Solidworks video, I'm going to show you the tool and technique of the mirror flange when it comes to the surfacing. So you can be ready for the industry tasks. When it comes to the surfacing, you can click the link below and you can join my full course where I have over 45,000 students. So let's get started. So we go to the sheet metal. Here we have a tool, mirror flange, right below the edge flange tool. With mirror flange tool, we can create a series of flanges along the existing edge of the sheet metal component. To use a mirror flange, we have to create a profile, the sketch geometry, that is created on a sketching plane normal to the direction of its extrusion. So let's show how this works. Before we do so, we have to create a simple sheet metal component. So let's go to the top plane, let's create a new sketch. Let's go here with the center rectangle, like this. Let's put some dimensions. Let's go with 200, like this, and let's go here with 100. Now we can go to the sheet metal, base flange. Let's go with 3 mm for the thickness, and let's go with OK. Like this. And now, for example, on those edges, we want to create flanges. But we won't use here edge flange, we're going to use mirror flange. But for a mirror flange, we have to create a simple sketch. So let's go here to this face. Let's create a new sketch on this face. Let's go normal 2, like this. Now let's select here a line. Let's start from this vertex. Let's go up. Let's go with vertical line, like this. Let's put some dimensions. Let's go with a length 25 mm. And hit enter. Like this, let's exit the sketch. Now let's go here and let's select mirror flange tool. So we have to select here a plane where we want to create a sketch, or we can select existing sketch. Let's select this line. And you can see that here automatically this edge has been selected. Like this. Now let's click OK. And we got this result. This result we could also get with the edge flange tool. But now we're going to show some difference between the mirror flange and the edge flange, and we're going to show some other parameters that we can control in the mirror flange. So here we have mirror flange feature. Here we have our sketch. If you want, you can go here, you can edit sketch. But for now we won't edit sketch, we're going to do that later. Now let's go here to the mirror flange. Let's go with edit. Like this. If we want to change the radius, we can uncheck here use default radius, like this. And let's go here with 3 mm for the radius. We can see the changes here, as you can see. The thickness of this flange is the same as the thickness of this sheet metal component, this base flange. We can also select multiple edges, but those edges must be adjacent. For example, we can't select this edge here. This is not possible, it doesn't work. Let's delete this. We must select first this edge here or this edge here. So let's select this edge here, and now we can select this edge here and this edge here, like this. Now let's change here the view. Let's go to the front. Here we have the flange position. Those are the same positions that we shown in the previous lectures. So here we have material inside, here we have material outside, as we can see, and here we have bent outside, like this. But let's go here, material inside, like this. And here we have the gap distance. So this is the distance between those two edges here, between those two flanges. Here we have 0.25, so we can increase this, for example, like this. And now we can see the changes here. Now we can see 3.25 mm, but let's go here with 0.25. Let's hit enter. Like this. Let's click OK. Now, this is the result that we could also get with the edge flange. Now let's go here to the mirror flange. Let's open this. Let's go here to the sketch. Let's edit this sketch. Like this. Let's go here, normal 2 on the front view, like this. Let's delete this line. Let's create a new line. Let's start from this vertex. Let's go here to this direction, like this. Let's go to the smart dimension. Let's put here dimension. Let's go with 35.
And let's define an angle between this edge and this line here. Let's go with 110. Let's see what kind of result we're gonna get now. Let's exit the sketch. Now we can see that we got different result than with the edge flange. As remembered, when we use edge flange, when we have angle less than 90 degrees, then here we couldn't maintain the gap distance, and here we can maintain the gap distance between those two flanges. This is not possible when you have edge flange. So for example, if we go here, let's suppress this. Like this, let's go to the edge flange. Let's select this edge. Let's go with some random value, this edge, and this edge. Let's go here with 60 degrees. Now as you can see, here we can't maintain the gap distance. It's not possible. We can only maintain the gap distance with an angle more than 90 degrees, for example, 120 degrees, like this. But this is not possible when you have angle less than 90 degrees. Let's exit. Let's unsuppress this. But with the mother flange, this is possible. So if we go to the mother flange again, edit sketch, let's go here, let's go to the front view, like this. Let's change this angle, let's go to the 60. Like this, let's exit the sketch. And we got the same result as we could get with the edge flange. As we can see, this flange has been cut as well. This one, and this one, and the gap has been maintained the same. So this is the one difference that we have here. So let's go here to the sketch, edit sketch. Let's go here with the 90 degrees. Let's exit the sketch. And now we're going to show the second difference. So let's go here to the mother flange, edit feature. The second difference between the mother and the edge flange is that here we have start and offset. So here we can define the start offset distance value from the start face of the mother flange. So for example, let's go with 10. And now here on the first flange of our start position, here we have the offset distance 10 millimeters. As well, we can go here with the end offset distance. Let's go with 20. And now here at the end, here we have 20 millimeters. So let's go to the top position like this. So here we have 10 millimeters on the start, and here at the end, we have 20 millimeters. So this is the second difference between the edge flange and the mother flange. Now let's here go with 0. And let's go here with 0. Like this, let's click OK. And now we're going to show the third difference, and this is that we can work here with more complex sketch, more complex profile. This profile doesn't have to be the straight line. So let's go here to the sketch, edit sketch, let's go normal 2. Now let's select here center point arc. Let's create something like this. This one here. Now let's create here tangent relation, like this. Let's put some dimensions. Let's go with 15. Let's change the angle here. Let's go with 120. Like this. Now let's exit the sketch. And now look what result did we get. This is the result that we couldn't get with the edge flange. So with the mother flange, you can use more complex sketch. So to sum up, with mother flange, you can maintain the gap distance. You can change the start and end offset distance. And you can go with more complex sketch. In the next lecture, we're going to show the tool Sketched Bent.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, just click like and subscribe. And if you want to learn surfacing to the professional level, just click the link below and join my full course.